Got my backup transmission all fixed up. It was stuck in fourth gear. I was doing a dyno pull in the C5, and after the pull, it was just stuck, wouldn't go out of fourth gear. It's not the first time that's happened to me. Original transmission, same thing. It's just the on the shift forks, it's got like plastic guides on them, and then they kind of jam up, and then a couple of the keepers that keep the gears in there break, so that all broke and jammed up into fourth gear. Rich Guido helped me out. If you don't know who Rich Guido is, look him up. He's the stick shift guy, racer, great guy. Here's my spare, or this is my actual Z06 transmission. You can see I twisted it off the output shaft, and then broke my diff. See, I popped the back half right off. At least I think that's what happened. I think when this broke, being that it's on an angle, and then the output shaft, well, what's left of it on the angle, spinning, maybe it popped out like that. Sits in there and just popped the diff out. That, or I broke the case, broke the output shaft, I'm not too sure. So here's the spare, or my diff I got out of LKQ. It's a Zeals 342 gear ratio. I don't think it's a Zeals 6 one, so I'm not too sure on the output shafts here. This one does have the upgraded 300 mils inside there. I'm not going to be racing the car anymore, so just a cruiser. Yeah, that's the damage on the diff. So just starting to put it back together. You can see it's a bit of a pain on these cars. You got to drop out the whole rear subframe. Got that over there. It's only the second time doing it on a hoist. It does help. I used to do this on my back in a creeper. Yeah, it makes a bit of a difference. I have the bracing I have to put onto the transmission, and the torque tube to tie the diff all together on it, and then slide it up in there. This car did 508 wheel NA, and then a 580 wheel with 100 shot. So I think I'm gonna retire the car from racing, cruise on it. I don't know. Gotta fix this thing. It's my more of the race car, the 850 certification on the cage. I'm not even running close to 850s. But I got a torn out sync roll in the TKX third gear, so it's down for the season 2. I gotta get on that. That's where I'm at on the car. Trying to get it ready to go drive it down to Yellowstone from Alberta here. Be a fun little vacation with a kid. Keep it off the track and just enjoy it as a cruiser, and maybe a little bit of street racing or some poles around here or there. Just to have fun with it, but no sticky tires, no drag strips. I'll keep that for the C4.